attach a wire and in which alternating current flows through. But here, direct current flows through. Direct current is where the voltage of the electricity stays the same. But over here, where there's alternating current, it goes from minus 110 to 110. And it goes over here. This is the motherboard, and it is the largest PCB. And these are all the ports, and the motherboard goes over here. This is our 1 terabyte SSD. And this is where all our files get stored. This is the hard drive, and it also stores some files. And it goes over here. And then you take this wire and you put it right in here. This is the memory of the computer, also known as DRAM. And it goes right here. This is the main microprocessor. And it's AMD Ryzen 9. And this yellow mark goes with this mark. And it goes upside down. This is the CPU cooler, and this is the thermal paste, and this is the fan, and this goes right on top over here. This is the video card, and it sends signals to the monitor so we can see things on the screen. And it goes in this slot. Now that we've made it, let me turn this thing on. And it works, and it has rainbow colors. Now we've put Linux on the computer. Now let me play some music for you. That was me making the computer.